Our hearts beat to the city.
Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making egusi and okro. Yes, this is a different recipe entirely with a different delicious taste, so stay tuned and watch full video. So inside the pot we have stockfish, beef and dry fish. So I seasoned with salt and a cube of seasoning. I'll cover and allow it to steam, though I added the quantity of water I'll be using. So now this is the melon we'll be using for the soup. I added warm water to it. Please do not use cold water, use warm water to maintain lumpy look. Yeah, if you want to have a lumpy look egusi, do exactly. So inside this pistol we have fresh pepper, crayfish and local bean, also known as obehe. I blended the three together. And then let's turn back to the stockfish and beef to see how it's going. I will have to check if it is soft enough and then remove and set aside. So let me use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new subscribers, old subscribers. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. And if you're still contemplating whether to subscribe or not, please do subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. At this point, I've removed all the meat and stockfish from the juice. I will then set aside and begin the magic. I added water to the juice and then cover, allow it to boil. Come back after 5 minutes and then I will start introducing the mixed egusi. Honestly, if you try this recipe, it has different tastes. The essence of doing this is to have a lumpy egusi. If you want your egusi to be very lumpy, try this method and I tell you, you will thank me later. Not just the lumpy look, it has different taste entirely. I will then cover, come back after 10 minutes to see, and as you can see, it's already bubbling. Looking so lumpicious. So as you can see, the egusi is looking very, very lumpy. I'm even trying to reduce the lumpy. I would then so at this point I'll add palm oil. I'll then cover, come back after 5 minutes, then add the mixed fresh pepper, obehe and crayfish, and then stir a bit. I'll then cover, allow it to boil for 5 minutes, come back and start adding my rishi. As you can see. And then this is periwinkles and then my dry fish. At this point the aroma is everywhere. Oh my god, oh my god. If you're still contemplating whether to subscribe to this channel, my dear, you dey miss. Honestly speaking, do subscribe and come and enjoy deliciousness with us.
Yeah, the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass
So after this, I will have to introduce the okra inside the soup. I know you'll be wondering what's happening. After okra, this is uziza leaf and then bitter leaf. I would advise you use uziza and bitter leaf for this soup. It has a different taste entirely. Yeah. So at this point, it's about to go down. Start getting your swallow ready because if you are still contemplating whether to subscribe to this channel, my dear, you are snoozing. So you see, the soup is for all my returning subscribers. Yes, all my new subscribers and those still contemplating whether to subscribe or not. You see, this soup is for all of you. Start getting your semo, your pando, your fufu ready, because it's about to go down. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Oh my dear, if you try this recipe, you come back to say thank you, because it's a different thing entirely. But for now, you see, the soup is for all my new subscribers, and this one is for all my returning subscribers. This one is for you contemplating whether to subscribe or not, because after this one, I know you have no choice than to subscribe. Enjoy.
Never sleep, never stop. As we shot from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The nights